Peel green mmatar. Boil mmatar with hot water without changing the color. Clean coriander leaves and cut it into small pieces. Now take red tomatoes and cut it into cubes. Finely chop ginger. Now we will chop garlic into small pieces. Now finely chop green chili. Now heat oil and fry mangodi or badi to the medium heat oil. Now we will paste 3 parts of the boiled mmatar with coriander leaves. Heat oil, add chopped ginger and garlic. Fry it for some time, till golden in brown. Now we will add finely chipped onion. Now we will add finely chopped green chili. Now add finely chopped tomatoes and fry it for some time. Add fried mangodi to the masala. Now we add little water to it and cook it for some time. Add chil powder. Add haldi powder. Add garam masala powder. Add coriander powder. Now cook the masala for some time and then add water to it. And cook until masala get cooked. At this stage, we will add mmatar paste to the masala. Cook it for some time. Add rest boiled mmatar to the masala. Add rest boiled mmatar to the masala. Add water and cook it until cooked. Most important is do not overcook it. Finally check the salt. Now this is time to serve. Thank you for watching.